This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. Top 2 or top 3 pieces of advice to the want to be an entrepreneur.
For one, you should stop doubting yourself. You have to trust the process. Don't get intimidated by competition.
Mhm.
You know, if you have something good, customers will come.
Mhm.
I think that's what I'm holding on to. Another is you have to start somewhere and take a leap of faith.
Mhm.
I've been scared all these years. You know, I would watch Shark Tank all the time and would
Okay.
sometimes wish that I had a business of my
Mhm.
own to run.
Mhm. Mhm.
But I never started it until now.
Mhm.
So I think despite the uncertainties, you have to take that risk one way or another if
Okay.
you really want to open up a business. Because
Okay.
having a good idea is easy,
Okay.
but executing it is quite difficult.
Okay.
So you just have to get into it.
Okay.
Lastly is you have to have a good network.
Mhm.
From friends to family to a professional network. Because for me, it helped one in promoting the business. Even if I don't spend that much on, say, sponsored ads or all that, the word of mouth could be very helpful in your business.
Mhm.
So, you know, valuing your relationships
Mhm.
are some of the best things that
Mhm.
you can actually do
Mhm.
in putting up your business.
Mhm. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.